Hi everybody, this is Urban Sweetheart Teresa. Today we're going to be making uh, boneless, thin chicken breasts, skinless chicken breasts, thin sliced, I should say. Alright, I got a package from ShopRite, hand trim. That's the brand. I got about 2 pounds, just a little bit less than 2 pounds. This is my seasoning. Alright, what we used was about I say a good 2 pinches of red pepper flakes. If you want heat, use as much as you want. If you don't put any. This is going to give you heat. If you don't want heat to your food, don't put any red pepper flakes. Alright, half of a tablespoon of black pepper. Everything is half a tablespoon unless I say otherwise. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, dried parsley, cumin. Then I put a couple of shakes of cayenne pepper. I put just a little pinch of thyme. Like I used my fingers and got a pinch out. I put maybe a half, I say about a teaspoon of chili powder. I didn't put as much chili powder. And salt, maybe like a teaspoon. I didn't put as much salt. Y'all know I don't do all that salt. Alright, and then I put this Funky Soul Spices Cajun rub. This is what it looked like on the inside. Got a lot of little different stuff in there. I put a half a tablespoon of that. Alright, this is my chicken. Now, it might be too much of this, I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to use some oil. You can use plain vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you have. I'm using hot chili infused oil. Why? Because y'all know I like it spicy. About a tablespoon. Also going to use sofrito. I have a little container. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in. So I got a half tablespoon measure right here. So I'm going to fill this 2 times to make 1 tablespoon. And I'm not going to put all the seasoning. I'm going to see how it looks maybe after I mix it up good. I'm going to put maybe about half and see if I need more. Like, this is a really good season mix. I would use this like on burgers, chicken, ribs. This is a good season mix for anything really. Alright, so again, I'm using about half of it. Let's see how this looks after I mix it. We're going to let this marinate. Today's Monday. Probably going to let it go to Wednesday. Monday afternoon. This is like a great thing to put on if you're going to have like a barbecue. You want to be known as the it girl at the barbecue. You come with your meat seasoned up for days. Let it sit in there and that seasoning soaks into that meat. And people ain't gonna be able to tell you nothing. They be like, who did the chicken? Who did the chicken? They're gonna look right at you. So I'm gonna save a little bit of that seasoning. You might want to put a little bit after it cooks, maybe not. Shoot, this is looking real good. Stir it up real good. Make sure all pieces, make sure, because you know how chicken get all folded up and stuff. Make sure it gets on every piece. This would be good on chicken thighs, or imagine this on some wings. And put this out on the grill. I think I'm going to use my my new grill I got. It's an indoor it says indoor outdoor grill, but it has a plug, so it's really meant for the indoors. Anyway, my hand's a mess, people. I'm try to end this video without jacking up my phone. Alright, so this is about to get covered, put in the refrigerator. It's Monday afternoon. It's going to stay in there till probably maybe Wednesday morning. Maybe closer to maybe around 11 a.m. or something. And I'm going to cook this up. Talk to y'all later. Hey, this is Urban Sweetheart. So I'm back with my chicken that I said I was going to make. Today is Wednesday. And it's been marinating for 2 days. Alright, this is the grill pan I'm going to use. I got this about a month ago. It's just been sitting in a box. And I said I'm going to pull it out and use it. Never had a grill pan before, so I washed it, dried it. I put a little bit of oil, as you can see, with a paper towel, rubbed it over it. I put the temperature on. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's at 350. I'm going to put my timer on my stove for 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 20 minutes total. I'm doing thin chicken breast, if y'all remember. This is what it's looking like. It's been marinated for 2 days. I'm making some rice to go with it. I got this at Trader Joe's. Asparagus risotto. Don't look the same, but we gonna see. We gonna see what it do. Alright, so let's put this chicken on. It's supposed to be an indoor-outdoor grill, smokeless. So hoping it don't smoke my place up. Okay, here we go. I heard one guy say, I watched one video, he said put your meat around the edge. That's where it's hottest at. So I'm going to try to put the thicker pieces around the edge. And it does have the little hole. I see some smoke. Gotta lie. It says smokeless. I see a little bit of smoke. Alright, once I put this chicken down, I'm not going to move it for the whole 10 minutes. Alright. And it came with a top. I have the top on top of my rice right now. I'm not going to cover this because I want to mimic outdoor grilling. And if I was doing chicken breast outdoors, I would not put a cover over it. So I put the 10 minutes back on because it was down to 8 minutes already. Alright, so I put 2, 4, 6 pieces of chicken breast on here. Boneless, skinless, kind of thin chicken breast. As y'all can see, I see some smoke coming up. So I'm probably going to open my window in a few minutes. So that is a lie. It does smoke some at 350 degrees. It's not ridiculous, but let me see. Alright, it doesn't say smokeless. It says stainless steel indoor grill with glass lid. Non-stick surface for easy food removal and cleanup. Adjustable temperature control. Disassembly for easy cleanup, which it does disassemble very easily. You'll see if it cleans up easily. So it doesn't say smokeless. Alright, I'm going to take that claim back off. It doesn't say smokeless. I hope it doesn't get out of control. Alright. So I'm going to let this cook down for 8 more minutes and then I'll be back when I'm ready to flip it. Okay, everybody, so we're down to about 51 seconds. This is what that rice is looking like, just in case anybody wondered. I put a little bit of smoked Gouda cheese in it. I gotta stir that up in a minute. So I'm gonna put 10 more minutes on this chicken. So this is 10 minutes without moving it. See what it's gonna look like. Wow. Wow. Like how you get them grill marks. I can leave it alone. I might have got the cross hatch mark. I would have did it at the halfway point and flipped it. stuff. So I'm gonna put that other 10 minutes. Might not put the whole 10. You see how it looks maybe after 8. But I'll be back. Man, this looks really, really good. Really, really good. Ooh, steaming. It's gonna steam me up that fast. It looks really, really good. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, folks, so this is the finished product. The timer just went off. I put a little bit of garlic butter on top about 3 minutes ago. I brushed it on top of it. Some garlic butter. This looks absolutely delicious. So let's turn this off. Alright, that's all. This is what it is again, just in case anybody wondering. Elite Gourmet stainless steel indoor grill with glass lid. Alright, so I'm going to take this out, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then plate it up. And I'll be right back. And let's just show you, for all intents and purposes, the other side grilled up too, okay? Alright, be right back. Okay, everybody, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely delicious. That's the rice. Alright, this is the after in the pan. Shouldn't be that hard to clean up. It's a little soap and water. And the insert, this comes out, this lifts out, and you wash it. So you ain't got to take the whole big old pan and try to wash it. But this is worth presenting. So I cut some over here. This is what it looks like on the inside. Do you see that juice in there? It's juicy, moist, and tender. I tasted it. It's spicy. You don't like spice. You might want to lay off on some of the cayenne and stuff like that, and maybe put you some brown sugar and, you know, something to sweeten it up. You know what you could do too when you get down to the end and you did both sides? Take you some Baby Ray's and use your little silicone silicone mop and mop it on both sides. That would be really good too. But this is not a sweet seasoning mix I did. So if that's what you're looking for, you're gonna have to switch it up. This is more spicy, like, I mean, in the form of heat. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so hungry. It's so good. I'm gonna try it again to see that it's moist. Y'all see all that moistness in there? It's good. It's really good. Thank you as always for watching. And it didn't smoke a lot. I was scared, nervous that it was. It was just like a little, you know, like if you was actually searing something in a pan, but not ridiculous. So this is a thumbs up for me. If you're interested, maybe you might want to grab one. It was not that expensive. I think maybe $30, maybe 25. I'm not exactly sure. I put it in the description box how much I paid for it and where I got it from. Thank you for watching. You might want to try this recipe. That chicken look good. Even if you change up the seasoning and put like some brown sugar or something to sweeten it to your liking, or you put barbecue sauce after you finish cooking this, man, that's some good eats right there. All right, take it easy, folks. Bye.